we are creating a gorgeous resin phone stand. First, we're going to be using a mold. I'm going to put resin at the bottom of it and apply flowers on top of it. Cut the stems off. And once it's full with flowers, add some resin on top of it again. We're putting black ones. Once hardened, take it out of the mold. And here's our first piece. We're going to apply some see-through resin on top of it to get the see-throughness of it. Heat it up to get rid of the bubbles. Make 2 of them and stick them together. These are absolutely gorgeous, and you can use any color of resin that you want and any flowers. Have fun making your own!